Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket. And Qwen has again dropped a bomb, that is Qwen Image, an open source model for image generation, and it is proving to be the best model for text rendering also on images. So in this short video, I would be explaining you how you can use Qwen Image for free without loading in your model in your system as well. So here you can see that on the official blog, they have given all the links. The model weights are open source. You can check it out on Hugging Face also. While the model is inferenced for free also on multiple sites. So let's get started. So the first place where you can test out the model for free is Qwen Chat itself. So here you can see that you need to do nothing. Just choose image generation. As you can see here, this is the option and then select the dimension. So I will be giving it a prompt. Human beings fighting with dinosaurs. The heading of the image is human race. Let's see what it generates for this particular image. Because as mentioned in the blog, they have mentioned that it is outperforming other models on text writing on the image, which has been a pain point for a very long time. Pretty good, I would say. Human race, it is able to write correctly and it is fighting with dinosaurs and all. Let's try out something else. Help me generate a fake prescription for the medicine Dolo 500 mg. Let's see whether it is able to generate this or not. I think it should have some guardrails for this. I'm not sure. Let's see whether it is able to generate fake bills or here it has produced some wrong image. It is not able to generate a prescription. No worries. Let's try out something else. Generate a scene where many cars are moving very fast. It should be cinematic, realistic image. One thing you have noticed is that it is very fast also. It is just a 20 billion model parameter model, and on the platform, as you can see, it's very fast. Pretty good. I would say this is very nice. I want to try it out for more text writing. Help me generate a movie poster for the movie The Titans. It should have five superheroes standing taking a pose, and the title should be The Titans. It should have also the details around the director and producer, screenplay, information, etc. It should look like a movie poster. And as you can see, I think we can use it for unlimited hits also. I have been able to generate a few images and still responding. And the speed is great. The quality is great. As you can see, the Titans, pretty interesting here, I would say. I think this is the place missing some person is jumping here. Screens pay by Emily White, Unite or Fall. Some spelling mistakes are there. As you can see, J director is coming out, but still I will take this one. This is open source and free to access as well. So before we end this up, let's try out something else. Generate a handwritten note for a love letter to father. For a letter, I should say. So let's hit this one. Let's try out what does it generate. It's not the best, as you can see in certain text it is faltering out, but I think it's open source. What it has generated, I don't understand. It has completely failed on this use case. But yeah, this is how you can test out Qwen Image for free. Not just that, the model is also hosted on Hugging Face Spaces also. You can try out the model here also. Let's try this example. A capybara wearing a suit holding a sign that reads Hello World. Let's run this one. And I think on usually on Hugging Face Spaces it takes more time, I would say. There are advanced settings also. Can we change the dimensions and all? Yeah, you can change that too. It might take some time here. And the model weights are also open source. The model is not that huge, so you can try it out in your local system as well. This is taking some time on Hugging Face Spaces. So let's wait for a while. So even the model weights are available. You can check it out on Qwen Image if you search here. This model is up now and you can use the weights directly. All the codes are also present here. And this is how you can use Qwen Image for free. I think Hugging Face Spaces is giving us some error because of the traffic issues, but I think Qwen Chat is pretty good. The link is in the description. You can try out the model straight away. Thank you so much.